everyone, it's Rumi from HubSpot, and today I'm going to tell you guys how you can make money on social media. A lot of people think that the only way to make money on social media is by being an influencer, but there's actually many different ways that people can do this, and they can even turn it into their full-time job. I'm going to break down 5 different ways that you can make money on social media, so if you're just starting out, this video will help you out a ton. So let's get started. Number 1, as you probably already know, you can become an influencer. Many people start making money on social media as influencers once they've built up a following and can monetize their content. YouTube was known as the first influencer platform, but now you can do this from any social media platform. For example, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok all have creator programs that you can join to monetize your content. On YouTube, you can start monetizing your content once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. On TikTok, you can start monetizing your content once you've reached 10,000 followers. And Instagram lets users earn money from creating reels and setting up an Instagram shop that users can directly purchase from. When you join these creator programs, you're allowing advertisers to place their ads on your content, and if they start seeing traffic from your page, they place even more ads on your content and you make more money. Many influencers also make money from brand deals or sponsorships where they can make dedicated content for a specific brand and get paid a set amount for it. Because of how much social media has changed marketing and selling, many brands want to partner with influencers of all sizes, especially if they're seeing that their content is getting a lot of engagement. Most of the time, brand deals happen when brands reach out to content creators that align with their goals and their aesthetic, but you can also reach out to brands that you want to partner with as well and pitch your content. You want to make sure that you have samples of your work ready to send them and the rates that you're going to charge depending on the types of content that you'll be creating. And that's where a media kit comes in. Creating a media kit highlights your engagement, reach, audience demographic, and other things that can make you stand out. If you don't know how to create a media kit, you can use HubSpot's free media kit template, plug in your information, and then start sending it out to brands. Click the link in the description box to make your media kit as soon as possible. The second way that people make money on social media is by creating user-generated content for brands. This is where you create content for a brand to post on their pages or to use for their campaigns. So if you don't want to be an influencer and post on your personal pages, then this is a great option that you can do to make money on social media. People are 2.4 times more likely to trust user-generated content as more authentic than content created by the brand. Companies of all sizes use UGC, and the best part of creating UGC is that while quality is still important, it's still supposed to look like a normal person created it. So you don't have to be a cinematographer to get into this. You just need a smartphone and you're good to go. You may be wondering, okay, but how do I actually find work for this? Similar to brand deals, you can email brands that you're interested in creating content for, or you can even find agencies online that create ads for brands and reach out to them instead. Make sure you send them your media kit that we just talked about as well. Moving on, the third way that you can make money on social media is by doing affiliate marketing. I feel like a lot of people don't understand the power that affiliate marketing has, but it can be a huge moneymaker for you. We all share products that we love online, and a great way to earn some extra cash is by creating unique links so that if someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. For example, if you use Amazon and love to share your favorite products, you can join their Amazon Associates program and start earning commission every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. Just type in Amazon Associates in Google, click the first link, and sign up. The approval times may vary, but if you have a website, blog, or social media page, you could easily apply, wait on your approval, and then you're ready to go. Some people make thousands of dollars every month from doing this on Amazon, but there's so many other companies that have affiliate programs as well that you can join that have even higher commission percentages. You can simply Google your favorite brands and affiliate program in the search bar to find them. Next up, the fourth way that you can make money on social media is by being a social media consultant. Social media consultants work with their clients to help them improve, optimize, and grow their social media presence. You can choose to work with any client or company, or you can just specialize in a specific niche that you're passionate about. Social media consultants offer many different services to their clients, such as creating strategies, SEO trainings, account creation, community management, etc. Being a consultant is a great way to share your knowledge of social media and get paid for it without being in front of the camera. If you want to spruce up your skills in social media and also get more credibility with a certification, I highly suggest taking HubSpot's social media marketing course. This course is one of my favorites because it has so much valuable information that you honestly wouldn't get anywhere else unless you're paying for it. It goes over everything from creating a strategy from scratch to attracting customers and measuring your ROI. You can leverage everything you learn from there to become a social media consultant. And the best part is you get a free certification once you're done that you can use to get yourself more credibility when pitching yourself to brands. If you want to take this course, I'll have the link to it in the description box down below. A pro tip when looking for brands to reach out to is to look for brands that don't have a strong social media account and offer your services. You can even find products that you use daily at home and look up the brand online to see if they could use your services. The fifth and final way that you can make money on social media is by freelancing and offering your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Brands use these websites all the time to find freelancers that do all kinds of jobs online. Once you create your profile, it's important to start building connections and get reviews so that you can build the hourly rate that you'll be charging for your services. So if you're a writer, you can look up how much writers charge hourly and then start with the lowest amount that you see and then work your way up as you build your credentials. People will start reaching out to you if they like your profile, but you can also reach out and work on creating long-term relationships with clients so that you can have consistent work. So those are the 5 ways that you can make money on social media. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if you'll be trying out one of these ideas. Make sure to leave us your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I can't find this client info.
Have you heard of HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform, so it shares its data across every application. Every team can stay aligned. No out-of-sync spreadsheets or dueling databases. HubSpot. Grow better.